Good day, ladies and gentlemen. This is Azar and Arez Auto. Today I'll be working on a 2005 Nissan Infiniti FX35, now QS70. The customer called me, told me that they diagnosed the car for a 40 BCM. The BCM was replaced. Below, you see the new BCM there. This is the original BCM that was there. So wanted me and the key. Couldn't start the car and see the key light. So I'm here to program the key or the BCM. Please stay tuned and watch. So I've done that. The Azar light is on. I've opened and closed the driver door. Okay, we'll do an image status scan. Let's see what we have. Okay. Let me first of all program this. Basically. This one is switched off. Unlock field. And meanwhile, the steering is not actually locked. Let's do smart key learning. Knob style smart key. Blade key learning of knob style smart key. Okay. Set it. Turn the ignition on. Well, let me go to the diagnosis screen. So set the ignition to lock. It's in the lock position. Put on the hazard lights. So let's start. Our current status said the power switch is on. Power switch is on. That is what I'm saying here now. It's supposed to be off. Ignition switch is supposed to be off. Let's go. So we cannot proceed. Okay, and we have to exit. Something is stuck. Let's do auto scan. Check engine. Let me see. Yeah, let's see. See some live data. I noticed the other time I wanted to program the key was saying the ignition's power switch is on. So let's go to the let's see with the intelligent key. No code. Let's read if there's any code. No code. Live data. No signal. Press switch is on. Key switch is off. Don't request switch off. No status switch on. Okay. You can see the ignition switch is on here. The accessory is off. Let me remove this. You can see the ignition switch is on here. Try to turn it. It's on here. And so guess this switch. Okay. So it's supposed to be off. Where is this stick? Okay, I'll put the key. Okay. It is now, it went off. So Obviously this ignition switch doesn't turn off completely. It has some issues. Good day, ladies and gentlemen, this is Azar and Arez autel. This FX35 2005 model, the owner changed to BCM, that's this one, and to this other one. But somehow, I don't know what the autoelectrician did. I tried to program it via OBD, it didn't work out. It did a lot of connections in here. So when I tried to program, it didn't allow me to program. I also discovered that I was not getting signal from the key switch. The key switch signal was not coming. So what I decided to do was to do a bench programming, which I've done using the SP400 Pro, writing on this chip. You can see the chip. So I just completed the right process, and I have two keys inside. This key and this chip. So I just cut this blade. In the event that probably this chip is failing, I also did another one. So I have to, you can look very well. I don't know if the glare will not be so much. You can see that I have two keys in there. The first one for this and the second one for this. So I'm going to put back the BCM, connect back the BCM. Then we'll start off. We check if our programming is successful. Please stay tuned and watch. Thank you. So I'll fix the battery. Now let's see. That is the ignition light. So it's still showing key here, but the immobilizer light is off. Immobilizer light is off. So let's crank and see. That started. The immobilizer light still stays off.